SR Group is an Indian multinational conglomerate holding company with investments in the sectors of steel, energy, infrastructure, and services like shipping, telecom, realty, and outsourcing. SR's portfolio companies have combined revenues of $39 billion. The group employs over 75,000 people across 5 continents and 29 countries. SR was in need of a secure and reliable cloud solution with a quick turnaround time for future requirements with zero capex. With Enlight Cloud's auto-scaling technology and pay-per-consume model, SR found the ideal solution for their business needs.
We have started our cloud journey 3 years back, and we came to know ESDS service around 8 months back. And it is a unique service. It is a pay-per-use kind of model, and there is a lot of cost saving with the same kind of services what we are getting. And once we came to know that, we have done a pilot and we moved 2 applications today in ESDS data center, and we are planning to go with a big bang approach in coming days.
I think one of the most important aspect or the USPs that Enlight offers is the vertical auto-scaling. Requirements where the customer is well protected in a cloud model with the ability to pay as he consumes vis-a-vis pay as an allocation that's already been done. It's rather disruptive to the cloud model today. I think many people is going to adopt that specifically, but Enlight is able to address quite a bit of requirements for today's consumers, and it's going to do well for those consumers. But we're sure that going ahead as we proceed towards a cloud-based model, that will be something which we'll look for. But that will be a slow progression from what we have in-house today. And then gradually as we adopt cloud, we'll go step by step, probably with the infra first and then to a full-scale managed services model.
Security is a major concern, and there are multiple things. It is not only moving the data there. If we want to exist from any data cloud service provider today, what will happen to my data? How they are going to destroy my data? All those things are very important. In particularly ESDS case, we are planning to move some of the critical data in coming days.
If you look at cloud, there's no doubt that security services offered by cloud service providers is much better when it comes to in-house or on-premise security that we would have.